Quick reading for April the 23rd to the 24th, Scorpio. Your cards are the Eight of Cups, the Justice, and the Sun. Maraming bagay na yung nangyari. Probably we got fed up with our person's wrongdoings, negative actions, negative words. Medyo nag-step back tayo a bit. With the Eight of Cups, hindi naman ito nangangahulugan na ayoko na, no? Yung step back natin, I still love you, but I'm not going to allow you to hurt me again. Napansin ni person, no? Siguro hindi ka talaga din nagpaalam na ayoko na muna. Napansin ni person yung panlalamig. With the Justice, parang nabuhusan si person dito ng malamig na tubig at may self-reflection na ano ba yung mga nagawa ko. And then, para siyang yung ilaw, yung ding na magkakaroon dito ng, oo nga, mali nga pala yung nasabi ko, mali yung nagawa ko. With the Justice, meron ditong pagbawi. And I think with the Sun, gonna give you some warmth, no? Not just with words, but also through actions to make bawi. This is your quick reading for April the 23rd to the 24th, Scorpio.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.